Hello everyone, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. Chefginasilas here. Today we are making Efo Riro. I made use of bell pepper, Scotch bonnet pepper, BAWA, also known as chili pepper, onion. I also made use of Kponmo, deboned dried fish, which is smoked fish, Iru. Also made use of dried prawns and Shoko. So I diced the Shoko, which is I cut them into bit sizes, then I blanched them. The process of blanching is by adding the vegetables to hot water. Then when it rested in the water for when it has soaked in the water for 5 to 10 minutes, I removed it from the hot water. Then I added it to a cold water so as to stop the blanching process. So I went ahead to press out the water from it, and I also drain it using a sieve. So in the heated pot, I added palm oil. I allowed the palm oil to heat up for some time before going ahead to add my salt. After I add the salt, I stir to combine. Then I went ahead to add my chopped onion to it. Allow it to caramelize for some time. Then I went ahead to add my Iru. Allow the Iru to fry for some time. Then I went ahead to add my cleaned, deboned smoked fish. The fish I used is spala. Have you seen this sauce before, or have you heard of Efo Riro before? If you have or you haven't, kindly leave it in the comment and I will appreciate you doing so. What do you pair your Efo Riro with? The list of the ingredients used in the making of the Efo Riro and its measurement will be in the description box. Do well to check it out. Thank you. After allowing the fish to fry in the palm oil, I went ahead to add my cleaned dried prawns to it. This dried prawns is going to take this Efo Riro sauce to the next level. Prawns is going to make the Efo Riro to be more sweeter. A little goes a long way because it's very expensive. After the prawns have been fried for some time, I went ahead to add my pepper mixture. I ensured to blend everything roughly because I don't want this sauce to be watery. I went ahead to add generous amount of crayfish powder to the food. Then I allow it to sit for some time. I also went ahead to add crayfish seasoning cube. Then I tasted for salt. If eventually you are cooking your food, I actually made use of just one because I'm just going to add little amount of the meat stock to it. Then I tested for salt to ensure that it's the required taste I want. After that, I went ahead to add my cooked meat. Then I started to combine so that the meat can soak up the stew base of the Efo Riro. After that, I went ahead to add some meat stock. Then I tasted for salt. This should be when you should add salt or not, because the meat is already pre-seasoned with salt and seasoning cube. After allowing the food to boil for some time, I added the blanched vegetable into the sauce, the stew base, little by little. So as I add little, I combine so that everything can be well combined. Efo Riro can be eaten with swallow or white rice. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed, kindly do so. Share the video with your friends and family. Bye.